Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen gummy bears. First, select your preferred gummy candies, like bears or worms. Next, find a suitable freezer-safe container or a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure your freezer has enough room to accommodate the candies without overcrowding them. This simple preparation ensures a smooth process for delicious frozen treats. Once your gummies are ready, spread them out in a single layer on your prepared surface. This prevents them from clumping together into one large block. Place the container into the freezer for a minimum of 2 hours. For an even firmer, more satisfying chew, you can leave them in for up to 4 hours or overnight. Patience is key for the perfect frozen treat. After the freezing time, carefully remove your container of gummies from the freezer. It's a good idea to let them sit out for just a couple of minutes. This slight thaw makes them easier to chew and brings out their unique, intensified flavor. Get ready to experience your favorite candies in a whole new, refreshing way. For the best experience, try freezing various types of gummy candies to discover your favorites. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the freezer to maintain their freshness. Remember, once thawed, it's best not to refreeze them, as this can affect their texture. Enjoy your delightful, easy-to-make frozen gummy bears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.